welcome back to our Java classes. So today our topic is about Java typecasting. So what do you mean by typecasting? Typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another primitive data type or another data type. Okay. So see here there are two types of typecastings are present. So first type is widening casting or automatically casting. So widening casting means converting smaller type to a larger type size. Converting smaller type to larger type size. So you see here you can observe the flow here. Byte to short and short to char to int to long to float to double. So this is gradually increasing as a size, yes or no, size wise, data type size. Okay. So byte is 1 byte, short is 2 bytes, yes or no, char is 2 bytes, int is 4 bytes, long is 8 bytes. Likewise, okay. So this is a widening casting means moving from smaller size to upper size, higher size. So this widening casting is done by the JVM directly. So automatically this widening will be done. Okay. We're coming to the narrow casting. What is meant by narrow casting in the sense we should do it manually. So programmer will do it. Okay. So if we do it manually, converting a larger type to smaller size. Okay. Larger type. First suppose larger type is double. I am converting double to float. Yeah, if you go to the reverse, it will become the narrowing casting. So here there is a possibility to lose the data here. In the narrow casting, there is a possibility to lose the data. See, I will explain you with the programs. Okay, I will give clear program also about how widening casting workout and narrow casting working. Okay, so let us move to the programming. So now we are going to the Eclipse. Okay, right. So now I want to open new program. I want to give a new class, right? So go to your package and create the new class. So that is new class. Okay, I got the class. So I'm giving the class name as typecast typecasting. So I am giving the class name as typecasting. Set the checkbox, then finish it. Yeah, my program is ready to do now, right? So this is the program I need to write now. So right. So see here our class name is typecasting. So right now, so now what I do here first, I will take one integer. Okay, integer as int uh, my int equals to I am giving the value as 10. Okay, right. It is done. Now I am doing which type of casting here? I am doing widening casting here. Okay, see now I am doing widening casting here. Okay, right. So widening casting, that is nothing but widening casting is nothing but what is meant by widening casting? Moving from small data type to large data type. So small size to small to large. Okay, small to large or small to big. Okay, at any okay. So now just I am given the int as my int equals to what is 10 value is given. Now I am converting the that value to double. Okay, double. I am giving as my double variable name here. My double here. My double equals to. So what I am writing here, I am converting it into my double into int, right? So I am writing here. What is the integer value given here? That is my int. I am writing here my int. So it is right. If I could put the column, it will complete it. So see now, Here I given int myint equals to 10. I am assigning this myint to the double. I am assigning myint value to the double. Double my double equal to myint. So shall I execute this one? Okay, I will execute both the thing, both the statements. What we will get, we will see that as output. So now first one is what? Myint, right? I am going to execute that also. Myint. Next one is what? Next one is what? That is double. That is my double, right? My double. My double. Yes, done it. Can I execute it? Yes, I will execute it. What will output we will see. So see the output. Waiting for the output. So it is running. Yes, I got the output. See now. So see, yeah, my int is 10. Coming to a double, it is 10.0. So it is automatic casting. I am not doing anything here. Yes or no? Yes. So this type of casting is also nothing but automatic. It is automatically doing, right? So automate. It is automatic. So what we will say, automatic casting. This is also called as automatic casting. Okay. Automatic casting. Yes. Okay. This is automatic casting. This is nothing but it is widening. Okay, widening. We are moving from small to big one. This is widening. Okay. Now we are going to do one thing. This is automatic, right? Next one. Now narrowing. We will go over the narrowing. Narrowing. Narrowing casting. Okay. Yes. Yeah. How to do it? So same thing. I will reduce the value. Okay. So now see now. Again I am taking here int. Okay. So no, I will take large one more than int. Why I will take double now. Okay. double double. So double my double. So already we given there, right? Here I am just changing that one. My double. Okay. I am like giving like this. Why? Because the both variable names are same. They're duplicate. There's chance of duplicate may occur, right? So my double equals to. So now I am giving one value, that is. So this is a value. Okay. My double value. Now I am going to what I am going to do here. So for suppose I am giving you 1 point, right? No issue, right? So now I am converting this double into a smaller size data type, that is int. Now int here I written here my int, right? So I need to change the variable name. My int. Okay, my int is equals to. Now to we have to cast manually. Now I am casting it manually. See now. Change it to integer type. Which one I have to change? I have to change my double into integer type, right? My double. My double. Okay. Also spelling is right. Okay. So I am changing int my int equals to int of my double. Okay. So this is we need to change it. So this my double value we are going to change it into integer type. Okay. So see here it is showing an error. See this what type of error it is. My double cannot be resolved as a variable. My double. So here my double. Oh sorry, here spelling mistake, right? So a typo. So I should give here case sensitive language, right? We should find out everything in a. Okay, right now it is fine, right? Okay. Now I want to print this statement also. Now so now I will give as here I will give my int. Okay, I want to execute this out. So what I will get output? So can you expect the output? See now, I will execute it. See then, what is our output? See this one. So I already told you, right? We lost the data in the narrowing. Okay, see here. Here 12308.67 is there, but here only we are reflecting 12308. So some data is lost here. So this is the only difference between the narrow casting and widening casting. So here we are doing manually, right? Easier. I am writing here manually. Forcibly, I want to change it. So it is I am doing manual casting. So it is manual casting. Manual casting from where to where? It is manual casting from a double to int. Yes or no? Yes. Manual casting from yes or no? Yes. Double to int. So you are moving from higher data type to lower data type here. So that's the reason there is a chance of losing the data. Okay. So this is all about typecasting. I hope you understood the concept clearly. Please comment if you are if anything went wrong. So thanks for watching.